Okay, next up. So we have QVCs literally all over the globe. We have QVC Japan, QVC US, QVC Germany, and the list goes on and on. But QVC Germany, this is their #1 kitchen brand. This is called Kochblume, which means cook flour. This is a bottle and straw 5-piece cleaning set with the prized silicone soap dispenser. It could also be a sauce dispenser. It could be whatever you want it to be. But you're getting all 5 pieces. You get the bottle brush, and I'll show you. You get the bottle brush. You get the universal brush that also has this rigid scraper on the end. All of this is silicone, so you don't have to worry about your pots and your pans. You're getting 2 different sizes of your straw cleaners. So think about all those Primula water bottles that we have. How are you getting those straws nice and clean? And this will accommodate 2 different sizes. And then you're also getting the squeeze bottle as well. All of it, $23.99, saving you over $12 off the QVC price. In fact, $4 and change a piece, $4.80 on an easy pay. So the choice I was showing you with all the pieces, that's called red. We also have it in dark gray, green, navy, and finally we have it in purple as well. V83151, Stacy Stoffer back with us with some Kochblume.
Yeah. Since 2010, this company has been making revolutionary products in the kitchen, hence becoming the #1 brand on QVC Germany. We love to have them here in the States.
Yes, we do.
And I love their brushes. Like, honestly, I never thought in a million years that I would be like, where is my brush to clean things in my kitchen? Like, I could care less. I'd grab a sponge, I'd grab a washcloth, none of that. Nothing that gets gross or harbors bacteria. Let me show you everything that you're gonna get.
Okay.
I mean, this is the golden child. This is the star of the show. This is the bottle brush. This you're gonna use for almost everything, whether it's a vase, a glass, a mug, a toaster. We'll show you all the different things you're gonna clean with it. Made of silicone, can't harbor bacteria. Just an awesome design, gets into every corner and crevice. Then you're gonna get the universal brush with the scraper. So this is a brush that's gonna be really great for your plates and anything flat. Look at all those tiny little fingers to clean. And then right here is a nylon tip that you can use to help scrape off hard food or anything that's stuck or dried on. So that's really great. And a nice curved handle too, so you really get a really great angle. Then you're going to get 2 straw brushes because we have so many straws with our portable beverage. Say that 5 times fast. And I can't with a chip too, so that's why I guess I'm having a problem.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a whole story. Happened this morning. I'm going to go to the dentist at 5:30 this afternoon. Thank God he's going to come into the office. But anyway, you get a small bottle brush. I know. Don't make me laugh because I don't want anyone to see. Okay, stop. We're gonna start now. A small brush, large brush. Thank you. Jordan backed up the camera too for me because he was like, yeah, nobody wants to see that. So those are the 4 pieces. Okay, enough about that. Let's talk about all the things. So #1, how many of us have these? Because we loved it as a today's special value or big deal.
Oh, yeah.
Our Primula tumblers, or it could be any other brand. When you have to get all the way down at the bottom, okay, instead of trying to jam your hand in there, take this long bottle brush and you're going to be able to get that nice and clean because you don't want coffee to stain that stainless steel over time or to get it mucky, right? We're going to be able to get down in there. We're going to be able to do something like a champagne flute, right? Something delicate. Again, those soft silicone bristles get into every nook and cranny because you're certainly not going to get your hand down there. Even these odd shaped glasses, right? Just really nice to get down to the bottom belly, the big belly, but also the narrow sides and the wider openings. So we love that. And it can go on and on.
I also love how like the tip of the bottle brush is nice and bendy and flexy. So all like those little corners and crevices, you're really gonna get in there and harnessing the power of silicone. So you can even use this on hot things. So the bottle brush is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. The straw brush is up to 200 degrees. Also dishwasher safe, is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. But let's face it, you know, unless you're going to get something gross and grimy, they're going to wash itself because you are using this with soap and you do get that soap dispenser. So let's come over here to the sink, Jordan, follow along. And then we're going to show you, first of all, I love the dispenser because the tip is at the bottom, right? You do have a window so you can see how much soap you have if you're going to need to refill. We're going to turn this on. You can easily shoot right onto this ketchup that's drying on. But instead of taking something like this, why not take your scraper that comes with the set, and with these flat dishes, just safely, this is porcelain, it could be your fine china, or it could be your melamine that you don't want to scratch. The scraping could get anything dried on, but it's not going to damage the surface. And
Right.
it's just really nice. And the soap dispenser, mind you, there's like no drip. Even if I have it with the where the soap comes out facing down, nothing's going to drip out. So you can set it that way, or you can set it that way. It really doesn't matter. I love it. And it's more than just your dishwasher soap. It could be shampoo for traveling. It could be your facial cleanser. Or how about this, Julia? You saw it in the video, but I wanted to do it here because I thought this was so cute.
Yeah, I like it for my condiments.
Right. And this is really nice because you can pack this in the California Innovations cooler.
For sure.
That we had on earlier for your picnic. If you're going to be having a picnic and you need some ketchup for whatever you might be grilling or for a sandwich.
For
so really
sure.
nice, again, no mess design on that at all.
It's kind of like that perfect pack up to clean everything that you need to, all those items, big and small and awkward and strange in their shapes and sizes, right? Because like, look, I'm a glassware junkie. I don't know if you know this about me, but like I love to collect really good, beautiful glassware because I'm all about like the presentation of my drinks, obviously, the mixologist here. But they're like oddly shaped and coupes and flutes and Nick and Nora glasses. They're really difficult to clean, and I want to be delicate with it. When you're using silicone, you can be delicate as well as like be sturdy, especially this one that has this nylon scraper at the end. All 5 pieces, the bottle brush, the universal brush, the 2 different sizes, straw brushes, and the soap dispenser or dispenser of whatever liquid you might like. It's V83151. Here is your gray. There's green, navy, purple, and finally, we have it in red. It's an easy pay of $4.80. Also mean, because it's 5 easy pays, it's $4.80 a piece. It's V83151. Well, our first 3 hours together went by really, really quickly. Thanks for hanging out.
Thanks, Julia. I'll see you soon.
I will see you really soon. Thanks. Okay, so as promised, our final hour together, we're joined by a very special guest, the one and only Fabio Viviani. Take a look at this little video. In case you don't know, now you do.
Hey everybody, it's Fabio Viviani, your favorite celebrity chef.
Okay. All right, so let's get